Have you tried uncling or auntying? Oh, may term na ganyan. Apart from parenting, merong uncling at saka auntying. It's not an official term pero pwede daw yung i-apply na term na yan para sa mga uncles at saka aunties na nagsusupport sa kanilang mga pamangkin. Yes, especially if you have a teenager or if you have teenagers who actually wanted who are actually close to you, tapos hinanghihingi ng advice sa inyo. So, that's where you become an uncle and you have to play the uncling part of it or the aunting part of it. Now, merong maraming mga paniniwala ang ating mga kabataan, especially the teenagers, wherein they watch a lot of videos of different faith or different topics that they believe in so much. Now, minsan, what they believe in at yung pinapaniwalaan nila sa napapanood nila sa video sa TikTok or sa ibang mga social media pages, they tend to believe and hold on to it that talagang it's the ultimate na truth. Don't stop them, don't shove them away, don't shut them down. Instead, bigyan mo sila ng perspective. Ask them if they have researched about it and that you're interested to know more kung ano yung mga pinapaniwalaan nila at bakit sila naniniwala. And ask them, what good do you think can it contribute to you and to the people around you? Don't shut them down kasi dyan sila magsisimulang mapapalayo sa inyo, or if especially if you're a parent watching right now, don't shut them down, especially the teens, because that's their time that they're trying to find their identity. Support them, be with them, ask them the right questions. Like if they have research about it, and you too, as an uncle, as an auntie, especially as a parent, research din kayo. Because that just happened to me recently. This is 11th day. This is 11th day yata or 12th day of our 30-day challenge. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo.